Attention Aquaholics! Buckle up, or more fittingly, gear up, because part 6 of our high-intensity interval aqua training is here, and it's making bigger waves than ever. This is the workout your waterproof mascara has been dreading and your inner fitness beast has been craving. In this hour-long splash fest, you'll need water dumbbells, pool noodles, optional but deadly web gloves and resistance ankle cuffs, a towel, trust me, you'll need it, mandatory hydration station, a water bottle. PSA, skip the makeup today, ladies. This workout is guaranteed to melt it right off. No filter, no glam, just pure sweat splashes and unstoppable energy. The mission? Crush 40 intense rounds of calorie-torching, wave-making water exercises. The bonus, a floating cooldown and stretch session that will leave you feeling like a Zen mermaid. Warning! This routine will have you laughing, sweating, and maybe even unintentionally creating a tsunami in a pool. Make sure to alert your fellow swimmers. Things are about to get splashy, wavy, and downright legendary. Mark your calendars. This splash-tastic workout will be released on February 28th, 2025, because I figured Valentine's Day already has enough competition, and this love letter to aqua fitness deserves its own spotlight. Exclusively available at on-demand Aqua Workouts platform. Subscribe today and secure your spot. Link on the screen. I dare you to bring your best energy and try this out. Whether you're a seasoned aquaholic or just dipping your toes in, this workout will challenge your limits and your ability to keep a straight face. I can't wait to hear how much fun and sweat you had. Drop your feedback and I will see you in a pool. Let's do this! Are you ready to make waves? If you are a real aquaholic, there's only one answer, and it's